Hey guys, so here's another fitness minute with me, Phil, from ValorShark Fitness. So today we're going to talk about ways you can start lowering your calories. A lot of people don't know that it takes roughly 20 minutes for the brain to detect that you're full and have the necessary nutrients to continue on. So a good way to lose weight is to eat slowly. The slower you eat, the less calories are going to be in you before your brain picks up that you're full. On top of that, don't eat idly in front of the TV. So if you have a bag of chips and you're eating in front of the TV, you won't realize how many calories you've actually consumed as you mindlessly eat. So stay away from watching TV and eat slower. The slower you eat, the better. And it's better for digestion anyways. Take care.